Welcome to the OPS Udyog. We are a well-framed manufacturer, distributor, dealer, and supplier of a comprehensive range of lathe machine, saper machine, radial drill machine, and all workshop machinery. Our quality platoon of experts precisely administer each stage of production process and check all the finished products on all the parameters. We strictly focus on strict quality norms, timely delivery approach, transparent dealings. Our exclusive products. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more future updates.